Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. Today is August the 17th, 2018, and this is a Mountain Fresh Plus hybrid tomato here. This is a 79-day. It's a determinate variety, which means it gives all of its fruit pretty much at once, so your harvest will come in pretty much all at the same time. You might get a few stragglers that it'll give later on, but most of its crop is given all at one time. This is the first time I've ever tried growing this tomato here, and there's two other tomatoes in this series. I've never tried those, and it's supposed to tolerate heat and cold conditions. So we're going to get this cut here and show you what it looks like. We'll be back. So we cut this one. This is a nice slice off of it. I like that it doesn't have a big seed cavity to it. It looks like a really small seed cavity on it. Looks like a lot of meat, like it would be a very meaty tomato. Just cut a little further down in, and still it looks like it has a lot of meat to it. So next will be the taste test. So the tomato slices have been put on the sandwiches. It has a really sweet flavor to it, really good flavor to it. It's definitely going to be a keeper for us. It seems to be a very high yielding tomato plant from what I've seen from it. Now we did have a lot of rain this year, and we had some issues with our method that we use for tying our tomatoes up. So we had some issues with the blight. But from what I've seen, this will be a keeper for us, and we're going to be growing it next year. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, you can leave them below, and I'll try and answer them for you. Please don't forget to hit that little notification button that tells I put a new video on. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a nice day. Bye!